OK, now for Mrs. Hewson's lodger, remember? The guy who did all that negotiating? Benjamin Franklin, who does his best negotiating for the American government after the War of Independence, and, as a result, spends most of his time crisscrossing the Atlantic. The other thing Franklin gets up to with all these transatlantic crossings is find out you can get across the Atlantic faster if you get your ship onto a mysterious current moving east across the ocean. And you know you're on this current because its water is warmer than the surrounding sea. So Franklin uses all his voyages to check up on the current by gradually taking the temperature of the water all the way across from America to Great Britain. Point of it all being, if he can map the current well enough for sailors to use it regularly, it'll save time and money. He does, and it does, to this day. We call the current Franklin charts the Gulf Stream. And it's linked to a new seafaring habit of chucking bottles over the side. Now, it's not often a bottle changes the course of history, but this is no ordinary bottle, as you will see. Meanwhile, all that extra shipping out there, which is out there thanks to a young American naval officer who knows more about what goes on at sea than you could shake a crab net at. This guy is so hot at oceanography, like how far winds and currents will take you at particular times of the year, that one day, when an American troop ship gets hit by a gigantic storm in the Atlantic, our pal, Matthew Maury, marks a cross on the chart. And that's exactly where the rescue ship finds the survivors floating in the water days later.